Pride is confidence, it's about self-respect and acceptance in oneself.
It is about the self-confidence and loving yourself each day and every day, in your whole life. And you don't care about people who mga negative sa imuha, wala kay labot. You just believe in yourself. That is what pride is.
Pride for me is basically being proud of who you are, being confident of what you are and what you do.
Para sa akin po ma'am, ang Pride Month is parang ang pagkakaisa and to show some respect and accept sa hindi lamang po sa kung ano kami kundi sa society din po.
We're promoting public acceptance kasi alam naman natin na madami ding discrimination na nangyayari. We're here to support each other.
The discrimination to the people that are lack of education about inclusivity.
Na-discriminate pa rin po nila yung ng LGBT, tapos may mga naglalabasan sa mga social media na ang LGBT is hindi created by Almighty God, sabi ng ganun. Parang ginano namin, kung hindi kami gawa ng God, bakit anong andito?
Building a better Mindanao. Of course, malaki ang impact ng LGBT dyan kasi LGBT, alam naman natin, very talented yan in different ways and especially matatalino ang mga LGBTs. So,
when I hear the phrase or the sentence, building a better Mindanao, I see a vision where the LGBTQ plus people, like the members of this community, are free to express who they are and they are given rights like to everything. Like di sila gina-judge and everyone is like educated about them. Like like, they accept, like everyone accepts us for who we are.
May pageant din po kasi ako and then ang sa amin po is gina-show namin kung anong ganda ang meron si Jensan or pati si Mindanao kasi most probably is mas maraming mga tourist attraction kasi dito sa sa Mindanao.
Basta number one, be kind to yourself and be kind to other people.
My message to the people is that never stop learning, especially like as Harvey said na the intention matters, and especially we should do our research when it comes to other communities kasi there are other spectrums like other sexualities that we're not familiar with, and before we make assumptions we want to make sure that we are well educated enough to make comments about other people. Message ko sa mga allies is thank you. Thank you for supporting us, the LGBTQ plus community. And to the people in general, always remember to be kind and to spread positivity and kindness always.
I started supporting LGBT community ever since na nagtrabaho ako for salon industry for 15 years. And then I support LGBT community kasi enjoy sila kasama. And then karespeto din naman sila. So equality, gender equality talaga yung importante sa bawat Pilipino na maintindihan nila lahat. So I want to grow up my kids in Mindanao with gender equality for LGBTQ. Siyempre, importante din yun sa lahat ng Filipino to understand gender equality. Kahit yung mga bata, dapat turuan na sila kung paano nila irespeto yung ibang gender ng mga Pilipino dito sa Mindanao. And sana masuportahan din yun ng ibang taga Mindanao dito sa Davao.
Pride Month.